Mtazamaji wa Ulinzi Channel, karibu utazame makala fupi ya ziara ya Waziri wa Ulinzi na Jeshi la Kujenga Taifa Mheshimiwa Elias Kwandikwa mbunge alipotembelea kitengo cha magonjwa ambukizi cha kisasa kilichopo hospitali kuu ya jeshi Lugalo. Waziri wa Ulinzi na Jeshi la Kujenga Taifa Mheshimiwa Elias Kwandikwa akitekeleza majukumu yake alitembelea hospitali maalum ya mafunzo na magonjwa ambukizi iliyojengwa katika hospitali kuu ya jeshi Lugalo jijini Dar es Salaam. Waziri alipokelewa na barozi wa Ujerumani Bi Regine Hess, maafisa wakuu na wasimamizi wa ujenzi kutoka Ujerumani na wahandisi wa Tanzania, mmoja wapo akiwa ni Miss Jacqueline, meneja wa mradi, ambaye alimpa taarifa fupi ya lengo la hospitali hii. Alisema hospitali hii mwanzo ilikuwa imepangwa kuwa ni sehemu ya chuo cha maafisa na askari madaktari, lakini baadaye imependekezwa kuwa kitengo maalum cha magonjwa ambukizi, infectious disease department, kama Ebola, corona na magonjwa mengine ya mlipuko ambayo yanahitaji kumtenga mgonjwa na jamii. Hospitali hii imejengwa kwa umakini, ubora na utofauti mkubwa na shirikisho la watu wa Ujerumani, ambayo mazingira yake yanaruhusu kufanya huduma kwa wagonjwa kwa usalama zaidi. Na kwa nchi za Afrika Mashariki, hospitali ya aina hiyo inapatikana Tanzania tu.
So this hospital right now, it cost us...
Kitengo hiki cha magonjwa ambukizi kimejengwa kwa namna mbili tofauti, yani hospitali ya kuhamishika na majengo ya kudumu ya kisasa, malazi ya maafisa na askari, ambayo ni matokeo ya mawazo ya wataalamu mbalimbali, hasa kwa kuangalia hali halisi ya magonjwa ambukizi kushamili. Imejengwa pia kwa kuangalia eneo ambalo linawezesha watu wengine kuwa salama.
It can be used in many ways. It can be used mobile, hence you see the tents. Yes, and then it can be used permanently, and then you see the building. It also can be a hospital, a normal hospital. And then it also...
Miss Jacqueline alimtembeza waziri ili kujionea majengo na baadhi ya vifaa na mazingira yote ya hospitali, ambapo kwa sasa iko katika hatua za mwisho kukamilika, hasa kwa kuweka vifaa tiba na vifaa vya matumizi mengine ikiwemo samani.
System means if you pass there, it captures your face and then it tells if you're normal temperature or if you're not. So we can pass. This hospital has its own power and water supply, and has its own heating system. There are two generators. One to back up for the whole electricity. The second one is only for the mortuary and the laboratory.
We've just built it again in Arusha as well, in the hospital.
So with insurance, cash, there's even a place for agents, wakala and all that. Yeah. Fully air conditioned, and even everything is equipped. We have equipped this hospital with surveillance. And so if you have infection, the way to treat you is through this. So this system has its own air. So you're not going to be stuck here with no air. So I know everyone is like, what? But there is a certain unit there to control the air system inside. This is the safest way to transport patients who are critically sick and have infectious cases with them. And the hospital also has some PPE for the workers who are going to work here. Yeah, so this is how you manage it. So this entire side becomes the uniform for people who are not infected. And then the areas there can be splitted. So the tents can be used in very many ways to cater for people who are sick in different levels. You can also position them in different areas. It all matters on how you want to organize this hospital. But at the moment we just improvise and put that as an injection room. This is a dental OPD, and those are wards, and the facility also has an isolation chamber. like the one you see on TV where you see Ebola patient. You enter through a chamber and someone is like very, very sick. Most cases Ebola. Yeah. And so we can see each other. Yeah, so you need an IT personnel here. This hospital has 19 departments. 19 departments already. This is a laboratory here, and that is a sample taking area which was sampling. So if you run it like a little, it will be not a very big hospital, but a small hospital.
So at the moment we are adding the linoleum floor into this area here because of hygienic reasons. We are still waiting for the furniture, which are still at the port, and the laboratory equipment.
Yes. So the laboratory here is very special. It's very expensive. It costs up to 700 million. It has almost all the facilities needed. It's somehow comparable to the national lab. It's not very big, but it can do a lot. Here we've been trying to support this guy's life with all the different equipment. These are medical trolleys and defibrillator sanction machines and different pumps. These are just medical stuff that are very important. It's the same like that one. And this is a dirty room. So if it's infectious, when you come out here, you're usually dead because that's the red zone. If you are a person, so the water is a person.
We misuse as a store. Before we bring everything inside, there are boxes of PPE, masks, and the biological chambers for the laboratory later.
Yes. Yeah. Remove all the infection. And this is the machinery used for disinfection here. And these are some of the chemicals, but it's also equipped with these small cans for if you have to go mobile. So also equipped up to 200 body bags. Right. 200. There are 200 body bags. So this mortuary is very different because it comes with 2 ACs and it's a cold room. It can accommodate 48 bodies. So karibu. They know how to divide the areas. So there are around, officially there are 5 wards I'll show you. They can be used differently. So this one can be used as a normal medical ward. This is the ventilation machine. This is what you need to breathe heavily. So you have, as I said, it's equipped. This is a lateral simulator. It's used for training. We also have ultrasound services. So I'll show you what the hospital can do. Part of this project and in constructing and designing and all that, so that's why we're very deep in it. They always say a doctor cannot build a hospital. A doctor can advise what is needed. Usually different people do it. Yes. So this is a pharmacy. Yeah. Basically it's a pharmacy. We have tried to equip as much as we can. So there's already medication, and we're even checking on expiring dates now, but everything is...
For the pharmacy here, we have to wait for that, and for laboratory results, what is this waiting area?
So patients come in this way, not this way. This is the staff area. So this is the store for the pharmacist. And this is the clean room. This is where people do laundry. Outside you can wash dishes and all that. There's even a store here for laundry. So we have bought an iron press machine and it's at the bottom. They're all the same. There are 20 rooms. They're exactly the same room with 4 double deckers and cupboards and tables and chairs.
Yeah, Honorable Minister, to this building here, it's the elements here come from Germany. Everything around, like foundation, tiles, and electricity, comes from here. We have brought this here for the first time as an MMCU, Mobile Medical Care Unit Training Platform. We brought this 2 times to Kunduchi as accommodation and 1 time to Mwanza. And since she said that's here for accommodation for the staff to keep it out of this infectious area, it's available. At the moment, not necessary. If you agree, Mama Balozi can hand over the key to you, and the college can use it meanwhile as accommodation. If you agree to that, then Mama Balozi has the key.
Would you like to have the key to put this accommodation to good use? Thank you very much.
What makes the kitchen special is these things. These are mobile kitchens. There's a deep fryer and a normal fry unit. So this one can deep fry. It can cook up to 200 people. So when they go out in missions, they use this currently at Goma.
You have these elements in Goma, in MONUSCO mission, and you have 2 more in the MNCU, which is in Mtwara, even if these elements are not in Mtwara, but they are available. 20-liter canister diesel, and you can start cooking.
Care of you, your morale might not be the best. So for our understanding, the technical support, the logistical support, and the mental support is really, really important for a well-motivated functioning army. So this is why we're focusing in Tanzania on these 2 sectors. And you have seen this in the presentation that we've seen outside. The results are, I find, extremely good. I've been in African countries, several, Kenya, Uganda, Nigeria, West Africa, other countries, and the level of a hospital I've seen here is just really amazing. This is possible because there is good cooperation between the Tanzanian armed forces and the Germans. They work closely together. They understand each other. We understand your needs. You understand what we can do. And this is how you get to good results. This is in other areas in cooperation in Tanzania. We wish the cooperation was that trustful.
Mwisho, Waziri Elias kuandikwa kabla ya kusaini mkataba wa vifaa tiba na balozi wa Ujerumani Bi Regine Hess aliwashukuru shirikisho la watu wa Ujerumani, wataalam, mainjinia na wadau wote kwa ujenzi wa hospitali hii maalum ya jeshi yenye idara 19 ambayo ni mpango mzuri wa jeshi kwa msaada wa serikali ya awamu ya 5 ili jeshi letu la Tanzania na wananchi wengine wapate huduma bora.
And likely to be the biggest after the completion of negotiation program agreement of the equipment assistance program. Your Excellency, we are glad that Germany has continued to demonstrate in practical terms their mutual desire and aspiration to continue supporting Tanzania in benchmark projects and many others throughout the country. It is my sincere belief that this agreement will guide our current engagement with immediate effect, as we might be behind schedule in some of the project milestones. Furthermore, allow me to use this memorable opportunity to extend my heartfelt appreciation to you and your team of experts for their support and constant guidance, which I understand has been instrumental for these projects. I once again, I wish to seize this opportunity to reaffirm our commitment to extend our continued cooperation with Germany through German Armed Forces Technical Advisory Group in the execution of current and future projects. We will continue looking for your support in the fight against contemporary challenges facing us today, especially in the field of health. Mheshimiwa Balozi, asante sana. Asanteni sana kwa kusikiliza. Karibuni.
Mtazamaji wetu, umejionea jinsi Wizara ya Ulinzi ikiendelea kufanya mambo makubwa na mazuri kupitia serikali na viongozi wake kwa manufaa ya jeshi na taifa zima. Endelea kufuatilia taarifa na matukio yanayohusu Wizara ya Ulinzi na Jeshi la Kujenga Taifa kupitia hapa Ulinzi Channel.